All right, so the first thing I want to show you is where we are coming from and where we are going on the right. So just visually, without even talking about any of the extra functionality, just visually speaking, it's a stark difference. We have icons, we have better syntax highlighting, we even have a really neat terminal here, which is amazing. You're gonna love this. There's a lot of cool stuff to talk about regarding the terminal. Even some things that will probably amaze you. Anyway, the point of this course is to not waste your time as much as possible. So for the most part, the videos will be short and to the point. Sometimes I need to explain something, so those videos will probably be a bit longer, but for the most part, they're just like to the point. No fluff here. And the great thing about VS Code is that it has hundreds and hundreds of extensions. The exhausting thing about VS Code is that it has hundreds and hundreds of extensions. As an experienced developer, really focused on productivity and developer performance, I went through most of those extensions, and I will show you the best ones for every language or for every need, like AI assistants, for example. And I will just show you the best ones and also show you how to configure them, how to use them properly, so that you don't have to waste time. You just have your technology stack, and I will show you, okay, for this technology stack, for this particular language, for this particular need, here's the best extension, here's why, and here's how to use it, how to configure it to your needs. All right, awesome. Let's get into it.